Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, A Kaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 7 from the chapter fractions. Okay. In this exercise we are going to learn to multiply the fractions. Okay. Here the first one is fraction and the second one is whole number. While multiplying the fraction and the whole number, we have to multiply the numerator and the whole number, and the denominator is remaining the same. Okay. The first fraction is 3, the first fraction is 3 by 7, then the second whole number is 6. We have to multiply the numerator and the whole number. So 3 6 are 18. Then in the denominator the same number 7. Okay. Here see the fraction 18 by 7. This is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 18 how many times 7 is there? 2 times 14. 3 times 21 which is greater than 18. So we have to take 2 times 14. While subtracting this we will get 4. So this is quotient and this is remainder and this is divisor. So we have to write in the form of quotient as a whole number and remainder by divisor as a fraction. So 2 4 by 7 is the answer. 3 by 7 into 6 is equal to 2 4 by 7. Is it clear? Then here also we are going to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator and the whole number part. Then we have to write the same denominator. Okay, 9 5s are 45 divided by 8. 45 by 8 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 45 how many times 8 is there? 5 times, isn't it? 8 5s are 40. Now we have to subtract 45 minus 40, that is 5. So we have to write in the form of quotient as a whole number and remainder by divisor as a fraction. So 5 by 8 is the answer. So 5 by 8 into 9 is equal to 5 by 8. Is it clear, children? Then the next question, 6 by 7 into 21. Here also we are going to multiply the fraction by the whole number. See the numbers, in numerator we are having 21, in denominator we are having 7. We have to check whether any possibilities to reduce the numerator and denominator. Here 7 and 21 are divisible by 7. So we can reduce. In 7 table 1 time, in 7 table 3 times. Now in denominator we are having only 1 alone. So we have to multiply the numbers which are in numerator. So in numerator we are having 6 into 3. So 6 3s are 18. 18 is the answer. So 6 by 7 into 21 is equal to 18. Is it clear? Then see the next number. Here 6 is the whole number and 5 by 12 is the fraction. Now can we reduce the numerator and denominator? See the numbers, 6 and 12 are divisible by 6. We can reduce 6 and 12. In 6 table 1 time, here in 6 table 2 times. Here in numerator 5, in denominator 2 is there. 5 is not divisible by 2. So we have to multiply the numbers which are in numerator. 1 into 5, that is 5. The denominator 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is an improper fraction. So we are going to convert it into mixed number. So 5 divided by 2. In 5 2 times 4. Remainder is 1. So quotient remainder by divisor. So 2 1 by 2 is the answer. 6 into 5 by 12 is equal to 2, 1 by 2. Is it clear, children? See the next question. 5 by 8 into 56 meter. Here unit also is given. 56 meter. Okay. Now can we reduce the numbers? Yes, we can reduce 8 and 56 in 8 table. In 8 table 1 time, in 8 table 7 times 56. Okay. Now in denominator we are having 1 alone. In numerator 5 into 7 meter. 5 7s are 35. So that is 35 meter. So 5 by 8 into 56 meter is equal to 35 meter. Okay. Then next question is 5 by 4 into 100 grams. Here can we reduce the numbers? Yes, we can reduce 4 and 100 in 4 table. Here in 4 table 1 time. Here in 10 alone. In 10 2 times 4s are there. 2 4s are 8. Remainder 2. Now it's 20. In 20 5 times. So that is 25. In denominator we are having 1. In numerator 5 into 25 is there. So 5 into 25 gram. Now we have to multiply. 5 5s are 25. 5 here. 2 carry over to the next place. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. That is 125 grams. So 5 by 4 into 100 gram is equal to 125 grams. Is it clear, children? Next we are going to do the problems in exercise 8. Here also we are going to multiply the fractions. Here we are going to multiply a fraction by another fraction. Okay. Here see the first set of fraction 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Here first we have to check whether there is any possibilities to reduce the numerator and denominator. Here 3 in numerator 1 and 3 are there, in denominator 4 and 5. Here these numbers are co-prime numbers, so we can't reduce. So we have to multiply the numerator numbers 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 5. Okay. 1 into 3, that is 3 by 4 5s are 20. 3 by 20 is a proper fraction. So 3 by 20 is the answer. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 20. Okay, if there is any no possibilities to reduce the numerator and denominator, we have to multiply the numbers. Okay, see the next fraction 3 by 4 into 1 by 5. Here also 3, 4, 5. These numbers are co-prime numbers. Here 3 and 5 are prime numbers, while checking with 4, these numbers are co-prime numbers, so there is no possibilities to reduce. So we are going to multiply the numerator numbers 3 into 1, then 4 into 5. Then we will get 3 into 1, 3 divided by 4 into 5, 20. 3 by 20. So the answer is 3 by 4 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 20. Is it clear? Here the fractions are different, but we are getting the same answer. Okay. The next fraction 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. Here 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. Listen, by seeing the numbers we can say that here it's a possibility to reduce the numerator and denominator. In 4 table 1 time, in 4 table 1 time. Here in numerator 3 and in denominator 5. These two numbers are prime numbers, we can't reduce the numbers. So we have to multiply the numerator numbers 3 into 1 and the denominator numbers 1 into 5. Then we will get 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the answer. 3 by 4 into 4 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Is it clear, children? See the next one. 7 by 9 into 3 by 5. 7 by 9 into 3 by 5. Check whether there is any possibilities to reduce. Yeah, we can reduce 3 and 9 in 3 table, isn't it? In 3 table, 1 times 3. Here in 3 table, 3 times 9. Now, 7, 3, 5 are prime numbers. So, there is no possibilities to reduce. We are going to multiply the numerator number. 7 into 1, that is 7, divided by 3 into 5, 15. We'll get 7 by 15 is the answer. Okay, 7 by 9 into 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. Okay, the next question is 5 by 12 into 7 by 10. 5 by 12 into 7 by 10. Can we reduce the numbers? 5 by 12 and 7 by 10. Here we can reduce 5 and 10 in 5 table. In 5 table 1 time, here in 5 table 2 times. Any other possibilities? No. In numerator we are having 7 alone. 7 is the prime number. Here in denominator 2 and 12, it's not divisible. So we are going to multiply the numerator. 1 into 7, 7 divided by 12 into 2, that is 24. So 7 by 24 is the answer. 5 by 12 into 7 by 10 is equal to 7 by 24. The next question, multiply, give the answer in the lowest term. Here also we are going to multiply the fractions. A fraction by another fraction, we have to write the answer in the lowest term. Okay, see the first fraction 2 by 3 and the second fraction is 3 by 4. Here we have to check whether there is any possibilities to reduce the numerator numbers and the denominator numbers. Check here 3, 3. We can reduce the numbers 3 and 3. In 3 table 1 time, here also 1 time. Here can we reduce 2 and 4? Yes, we can reduce 2 and 4 in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 2 times. Any other possibilities? Here in numerator we are having 1, 1 and denominator 1 and 2. That's all. Here this is in the lowest term. Here 1 into 1, 1 divided by 1 into 2, 2. We are multiplying the numerator numbers and the denominator numbers. We got 1 and 2. Here this is the lowest term. 1 by 2 is the lowest term. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. The answer is in the lowest term. Okay. Then see the next set of fraction. 4 by 35 into 7 by 2. Here can we reduce the numerator numbers and denominator numbers? Yeah, here 2 and 4 we can reduce 2 and 4 in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 2 times 4. Here can we reduce 7 and 35? Yes, 35 is the multiple of 7. 7 5s are 35. So we can reduce 7 in 1 time. Here 7 5s are 35. Any other possibilities? Here we are having 2 and 5 alone. There is no possibilities to reduce the numerator and denominator. So we are going to multiply 2 into 1, 2 and 5 into 1, 5. We got 2 by 5. 2 and 5 are prime numbers. There is no possibilities to reduce. 2 by 5 is the lowest term. So 4 by 35 into 7 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Okay. The next question, 7 by 6 into 12 by 21. 7 by 6 into 12 by 21. Now, which numbers we can reduce? We can reduce 7 and 21 in 7 table. In 7 table 1 times, in 7 table 3 times 21. Again we can reduce 6 and 12. In 6 table 1 time, in 6 table 2 times. Now we are having 1 and 2 in numerator, 1 and 3 in denominator. No other possibilities to reduce because 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So we are going to multiply the numerator numbers. 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3. So 2 by 3 is the lowest term, that is the answer. 7 by 6 into 12 by 21 is equal to 2 by 3. See the next fraction. Here we are having 3 terms. First what we have to do? Shall we check the possibilities to reduce? Here see the number 0. So by seeing the number we can say that the value of the product is 0. So no need to reduce. So the value of the product is 0. 4 by 9 into 3 by 2 into 0. The value of the product is 0. Okay. See the next set of fraction. Here also we are having 3 terms. 5 by 21 into 63 by 20 into 1. Okay. Now we can reduce 5 and 20 in 5 table. In 5 table 1 times 5, in 5 table 4 times 20. Here 21 and 63. Both the numbers are divisible by 7. So I am going to reduce in 7 table. In 7 table 3 times 21. Here in 7 table 9 times 63. See the numbers 3 and 9. Again we can reduce the numbers 3 and 9 in 3 table. In 3 table 1 time. In 3 table 3 times. Now we are having 3 in numerator and 4 in denominator. So 1 into 3, 3 and 1 into 4, 4. Then we are having the third term 1. While multiplying a fraction by 1, then we will get the same fraction, isn't it? 3 by 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. 5 by 21 into 63 by 20 into 1 is equal to 3 by 4. Is it clear, children? Okay, we will continue the remaining problems in the next video. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.